Hello. Guess what we're doing today? Locking in. Basically, I've been so unproductive as a general for the past month that today I'm gonna force myself to lock in the hopes that it puts me into a little flow of things. And I'm gonna bring you along. First objective of the day, finish getting ready and go to uni. And then I've got to come home, clean, tidy, then lock into some uni work, I think. That's the plan. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're ready. It's time to go to uni, man. Let's go. Walking home from uni. Uni was alright. Feeling way less stressed now compared to earlier. I mean, you wouldn't know because you didn't see the before, but I just cleaned loads of the kitchen. I did the hob, I did the inside of the oven, fresh, and my dishes. Productivity. Slay. Booyah. Tidy room. Damn straight. This looks so messy. Ew, actually, this needs to be sorted. That, my friends, is a Mango Loco monster. Our landlady just left and she was very happy with how clean things were because they were bad before, so you know, but yeah, clean this time. She's happy. That is lock in of the day done. My inspection ticked off. Now it's 4:30, well, 20 to 5. So we're gonna lock in and do some uni work because I'm feeling productive. My room is clean, my mind is clean. It's time to lock into some uni work. Watch this video be about 30 seconds long, by the way, because I actually don't know what I'm gonna film other than me locked in. So I don't know if anybody else, maybe I'm stupid. This is a 2020, can you see that? 2024 to 2025 planner thing, like a weekly planner. And instead of it being January to December, it is July until August was like the beginning of my uni year, and I was like, I want a planner. So I got an academic one, which was clever. So if you are a academic weapon, consider doing that, because that way I didn't have to wait until the new year. It had like the academic year. How much uni work are we gonna do? Maybe I'll do 2 hours. I need to email a man back. Lock in time, let's go. Cool story. So last time we spoke was about just over an hour ago. Did I lock into my work? No. I actually sat on my phone. It's 6:15. I'm gonna do 25 minutes, 5-minute break, 25 minutes, 5-minute break. And we're gonna start that in a couple mins. So, yeah. You just witnessed academic weaponism. Yeah, damn straight. I actually locked in for 30 minutes. What a moment. Up for a moment, my life. Yeah, I actually locked in for a bit. Shocking sight to see. And you know what I've learned is that now I feel way more relaxed about uni work. I was finding it so stressful. And now, after literally just half an hour of work, I'm no longer that worried. Like, obviously, part of me is stressed, but now I'm like, oh my god, you can do this, you're actually not an idiot. Who would have thought that doing work would actually make you, understand? Me when I'm an idiot, me when I'm silly and stupid. I'm like, bruh. So, it's 7 o'clock now. I'm gonna lock in a bit again until about 8 o'clock. And then I'm gonna eat some scran. Unless I have a jacket potato, then I'm gonna put the jacket potato in the oven and then come do more work. probably should do that. We will see. We will see. Hashtag locked in though. Locked in. For real. I'm working on my literature review for my dissertation. Someone tell me why every time there is a good, seemingly good piece of literature for my dissertation, I click on it and it's like, content not available. It's 9:30. Bloody hell, it's 9:30. I'm locked into reading through some sort of article thing and I've got jacket potatoes in the oven. Actually successfully locked in today. Got some work done, which makes a change. This is your reminder to lock in while it's dissertation season. And I'll see you next time. Bye.